Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be unboxing some strange thing, surprise I guess, and you'll see how it goes. Okay, first thing, let's go open this thing so we can see what's inside. Oh, I'm really excited. I got it shipped about a month ago. Let's just tear this down. And let's see what do we have inside. First, let's check if there are some kind of stickers. No, I don't think so. Whoop, and open. Okay, it's an Xperia XZs. Yeah, it's a phone that it's from last year, presented along with XZs Premium with the all new MotionEye camera. Okay, let's put that back on the side, and let's see what else do we have inside of the box. You see, we have some booklets, I guess. Just open it carefully. Okay. It's as usual, starting guide, declaration, blah blah blah. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, and we have a cable, USB Type-C cable. Okay, great. Do we have anything else? No? I guess not. Okay, that's on the side as well. Here is the EU charger plug. It's not Qualcomm Quick Charge certified, so I guess it's just a common one. And it's a nice thing to see. 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, that's great. Although I don't think it's anything premium from Sony. They used to have the MH750 type headphones included with other flagships, but we're not lucky this time. It's just MH410C. Okay, that aside as well. Do you hear anything else? No? Great. Now, the phone itself. As you can see, it's XZ dual SIM version with Qualcomm Snapdragon 820. It really is great feel in the hand. PS4 remote play, 5.2 inches Full HD screen with X Reality for mobile and luminous display. A whole lot of audio features as well, and a pack of camera features. Sony G lens, Biomes, X Moreres for mobile, steady shot, and what's the most important, it has the 960 FPS super slow motion in 720p, which is a big feature today and will be. So it's kind of a slim for a Sony mobile. We have a 3.5mm headphone jack here, along with the microphone. We have a Type-C charger and a microphone as well. This thing is for your SIM card and micro SD card. That's always good to hear. There is a micro SD card support. Here is the camera, flash, and on the side we have the on-off button with fingerprint reader included, the camera button, and volume up and down buttons. Okay, let's peel this thing off. It's always, yeah, it's nice. And this side as well. That feels so satisfying. Okay, I guess let's turn this little thing on. You can see it's a fingerprint magnet back there, although it's alkalido aluminum back. Plastic sides, I guess, as well as the plastic down cover, which contains Wi-Fi and GSM antennas, I guess. Oh, it's back on. So we have front camera, the NFC sticker, where should the NFC point be, LED, and stereo speakers as well. Okay, here we are again with the phone. As you can see, it's set up. Just clear this thing off. And this is how it looks on the home screen. So let's just sort apps by name. Okay, thank you. And let's see which kind of Android version we got. We've got 7.1.1 Nougat. What can we say else? Model is G8232. It's let's see if we have maybe software updates or not. The phone should be updated, should got the Android 8.0 Oreo update. We'll see if it's the case here. Okay, we have that. Just postpone it for later. So let's just get a few things quick. I'm sure everybody's excited about to see what kind of a camera it has. Yes, okay. Let's go. Switch modes. Right. What should we place? Okay. So it's Xperia Auto. What kind of resolution? 69. You see, you can set up to the 19 megapixel in 4:3 format, or 17 megapixel in 16:9 format, or even 12 megapixels, which is quite popular to the resolution today, in either 4:3 or 16:9 formats. I just keep it on the 17 megapixels. Predictive capture auto. Okay, that fits. Cell location, focus only. Object tracking. Let's set yes. Okay, that's for the options in Xperia Auto. What kind of options do we have here? Full HD in 30 or 60 FPS, HD, VGA or MMS, and we have a button for the super slow motion. Okay, you see as the quality degraded because of the light or the lack of the light. Okay, so it's nice that you got a quick guide here, so it helps you do things. Okay, we're not gonna do it today. Now some time, and you have a 4K video as a separate app with either H.264 or H.265 formats. So yeah, that's that. Okay, that's for the quick review. You should be subscribing to my channel and hit the like button on this video if you liked it, and tell me if you want to see the full review of that device. Okay, bye bye.